Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And I got on Amazon, actually Darren did, and bought me last-minute diorama boxes. How nice is that? Actually, I have been saying I need to make a diorama for photos, if nothing else. But I'll tell you, I just don't have the room to store them. On Fridays, we have a date day. We haven't gone for a long time, so last Friday, we had a ball, and I got fabrics and patterns, and I actually have a video on what all I got. Well, in the Walmarts, they had some rainbow high dolls on clearance, but not enough clearance for me. So Darren, I saw one that I really wanted, but it was just more than I wanted to spend. So Darren got online and found her cheaper, but it's a fly-by-night new, we're not sure if she's coming, is the short of it. So I looked on Amazon. Actually, I got a note from Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly that Amazon had some rainbow highs on sale. I have been wanting this doll for a very long time, but y'all know I'm cheap, and y'all know I wait till they go on sale or clearance before I buy my rainbow high dolls. But I've been wanting Cheryl Myers since she hit the market. That outfit, oh, that outfit. I have a friend who is actually Scottish that wears plaid pleated skirts, and she is so cute in them. I wish I were, but I am not built for them. I look like, well, it doesn't matter. I don't wear them. So anyway, Darren found, or Tammy found, that Amazon had these on sale, and I like to have one in the box and one to open. So we got two, and I am so happy about that. And soon I will be doing a box opening, not only on her, but also I went back and I bought another Ruby Anderson from the first series from the thrift store here that has them for $12. You won't believe what I'm going to do. I've done this before. I've done a complete makeover on Sunny Madison when she first came out. This one, I'm going to cut her hair. Ooh, I had seen, and I would credit the channel, but I cannot find it again. Someone has a Karma, which is my favorite rainbow high doll, and they gave her a short bob haircut, and I usually don't like short hair. It is so cute. So I'm going to try to cut Ruby's hair in an upcoming video. So I have a few new rainbow high dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Have you gotten any new rainbow high? Please leave it in the comments as you like this video, and hit subscribe if you haven't yet.